Welcome to this in-depth walkthrough of the Ledger Nano X, a leading hardware wallet for managing and safeguarding your cryptocurrencies. This video will take you through its features, setup process, and how to use it effectively. Start by visiting the official Ledger website, where you'll find the Ledger Nano X listed among the most secure and popular hardware wallets available. The Ledger Nano X is designed to keep your crypto assets safe from hackers, leveraging its state-of-the-art security features, including a certified secure chip and Bluetooth connectivity. It supports over 5,500 cryptocurrencies and tokens, making it versatile and practical for diverse crypto portfolios. To get started, purchase your Ledger Nano X from the official website to ensure authenticity and warranty. After receiving your device, unbox it to find the wallet, USB-C cable, recovery sheet, and instructions. Connect your wallet to your computer or smartphone using the provided cable or Bluetooth. Download the Ledger Live app, which serves as the companion software for your hardware wallet. Install the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. The setup involves creating a PIN code directly on the device, which acts as your first layer of security. Next, you'll write down your 24-word recovery phrase on the recovery sheet provided. This phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet in case of device loss or damage. Store it securely, away from prying eyes. Once set up, link the Ledger Live app with your wallet to manage, send, and receive crypto assets with ease. Adding accounts is seamless through the app. Simply choose the cryptocurrency you want to manage, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, and the app will create an account for you. To transfer funds, connect your wallet, confirm transactions directly on the device, and rest assured your private keys never leave the hardware. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. By following this guide, you'll have a fully functional Ledger Nano X that ensures your cryptocurrency is stored securely. Don't forget to explore additional features, like staking and connecting third-party wallets through the app. Protect your investments with one of the best hardware wallets in the market today. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more crypto tips and guides.